stuff is disgusting. Okay, let's this. Oh, y'all, this stuff is so disgusting, but it works. It works. That's the only reason why I'm putting myself. Hey, my gators, welcome back to the Epsom Salt Flush Before the 48-hour fast. I decided I'm gonna go day to day. Wake up in the morning, day 1. Wake up the next day, day 2. We trying to get 2 days down. So you guys are gonna be getting this on day 1 of the fast, and so that way it gives me time to get the other video out the next day. So day 2, here's the thing. I'm gonna be traveling on the second day of the fast, which is good for me because it's going to be a lot of traveling. And because of that, I don't have to worry about, what do you call it? Temptation, because I'll be traveling. And I forgot all about that. So I had already mixed it up, y'all, moving fast. So here's my Epsom salt, and it's thick. You see those thick granules in there? I put 1/8 of a cup, then 1/4 of an eighth of a cup, and I'm letting it sit in here. Let me show you what the Epsom salt looks like. I'm letting it sit because what that does is help the granules to break down because it's not warm water. I should have warmed the water up first, but I didn't think nothing of it. So I have, I'll show you if you didn't see the other videos and you're just looking for a way to flush and you come across this video. This is the Epsom salt. This is what it looks like from Equate. I actually have a smaller bag, but I can't find it, so I end up going into this big bag. This only costs like $6, $5-6. Really great. It is amazing for flushing and detoxifying your body and your intestines. The more you do it, the more it breaks up the crap that's sitting in there. A herbalist put me onto that years ago, and she said she do it like every 3 to 4 days. The taste is not good. If you didn't see, I have other videos on here. You can look up Epsom salt flushes that I did before fasting and just to cleanse myself. It's disgusting. It tastes like it's not salty, because I thought that when I first did it years ago. I'm like, oh, it's gonna be salty. I can take that because I can, you know, when you gargle with salt water. No, it's not salty. It is giving more so like you took a Aleve or a Advil and it stuck to your tongue and it didn't go down when you tried to swallow, and you're getting the residue. That's what it's giving. So I'm going to be honest with you. It's disgusting. But guess what? It works like crazy. You're going to be like, where did all this come from? It pulls stuff out. And if you continue to take it, it gets better and better with getting and grabbing stuff out to the point where, you know, I ain't going to say squeaky clean because we don't know what it looks like in there, but it's getting the stuff out that you thought was already coming out. So I'm getting ready to weigh myself before the flush because it's 8:00 p.m. the night before. So I'm going to weigh myself really quick, and I am in the middle of renovations, so stuff is like all over. Oh, here's my scale. I'm getting ready to weigh myself and let you guys see that, and then that'll be the beginning before the flush. And then after the flush, I'm gonna weigh myself, which is this going to be releasing itself throughout the night. So when I wake up to go to the gym, I'm going to show you what my weigh-in is and see if it's going to be different from now. It may not. We will see. I did eat. We had pasta. I had some Jolly Ranchers. I had some iced coffee, some ginger ale. What else? Earlier, I had hot coffee for breakfast at like 11:30ish, and I had some French toast toasted in the broiler with some jelly. So that's what I had for today. Other than that, didn't eat anything else. So that's still kind of in my gut. I think I used the bathroom maybe once, but I don't go regular when I'm eating junk. Well, but let me squash that. I go more regular when I'm eating junk than I do eating healthy food, and I talk about that in the video. If you're eating better, it's less waste, so you won't use the bathroom as much. Because a lot of people are like, oh, I'm eating good, I'm eating vegetables and everything. Shouldn't I be going more often? Your body is utilizing them because you're putting good things in your body. When you have more waste, you're going to have more waste. You get it? So let's get on this scale and see what I look like. I mean, how much I weigh. I'm going to take all this off. I like to go right on there and get into it. So hold on. I'm going to stop the camera, flip it over because I got it on my tripod, because this is one of those LED lights, and sometimes the light is clear, but you got to get close, and sometimes you can't see it through the camera. So let me take this stuff off right here. Step one. Come on. Okay, could y'all see that? What the world? Why did it? Okay, 279.8. That's what we got. I don't know what's going on. Let me try stepping on again. Come on. I promise you, why does it seem like when I get ready to do a fast or something, the scale want to act funky? I step on this scale all the time without a problem. Now all of a sudden, okay, if it says the same. Okay, so we know that's it. That's what it is. All right, let me go, guys. I'm just really disrespectful, not trying to let me be great. All right, so I got the Epsom salt. Let me get some lemon water to go right behind it, and I'm about to drink it with y'all. This stuff is disgusting. Very. Get me some water, y'all. Get me some water. Battery's low. Okay. Oh, this is like you got to coach yourself up. You got to do all this crazy crap to drink this. The only thing that makes me drink this is saying something about my children. Like, I just put this stuff like I got to protect them. If I don't do this, it's not going to protect. It's a mind thing. I'm a mind person, so yeah. Oh, this stuff is disgusting. Okay, let's oh, y'all, this stuff is so disgusting, but it works. That's the only reason why I'm putting myself through this. Okay, smooth move, all that. If you're coming and you're new, I already did all that. I actually got a box of that up in there. It don't work for me. It don't do nothing for me. I tried Mag 5 pills. That didn't work. That didn't do nothing for me. Mag 5 pills is in storage. But anyways, let's get this down. Okay. All right. Yeah, I gotta pause for just a second. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Okay, let's get this down. Maybe I should have lemon. Hold on. Maybe I should have lemon in the water. Hold on. In my regular water, not the whatchamacallit. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon in my cup so it can help overpower the taste, a little bit of something. I don't know. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just putting some lemon. I ain't feel like getting a juicer in this one. I had already squeezed some out, so it's gonna give me a better. This will help. A lot of people like doing this lemon thing because it actually takes the taste away. It helps with the taste. Okay. Let me stop playing. For my kids. Let me get next to the sink. Hold on. Let me get next to the sink. Don't judge me, please. Don't judge me. Oh, let's get next to the sink. Okay, I'm by the sink. Okay, let me grab it. Okay, let's do it. We got this. Disgusting. Okay, we doing it. Feel hot. Hold on. Wait a minute. If I feel like it's a lot going on. You're not. Okay. Right. Ready? Go. Disgusting. Ooh. You're supposed to take 8 ounces of water after it. The reason I put more than less, more than 4 to 6 teaspoons is because some of it always never comes out. So I put more than enough. I'm gonna let y'all know how long after I take this that it affects me. It's gonna be in here, and I'll release this video tomorrow sometime. Yeah. That's that. Continue watching. You'll see what my weigh-in is when I wake up, and I'll let you know when I wake up and do my weigh-in how long it took for this stuff to start working, because it does work. I promise. You're gonna be like, girl, oh my gosh. Try to stay home. Try to do it like this time. If you got to go to work in the morning, do it between 6 and 8, because within an hour or two, yeah, you're gonna feel that stomach like go. All right, that's it. Just stay tuned. Let's see what it gets out the gutty ready. All that stuff. Let's see how my pounders just go down before I start this fast. All right, see you in the morning. Good morning. So it is 6 something. Yeah, that's flush. Continue working. I'd have been at the gym looking a hot mess. So anyways, today is going to be the ending of the flush, but also day 1. So I'm going to do my weigh-in and see what the flush did overnight, and then begin this first day of the fast. So let's get into it. Let me get on the scale. Let's see. What is it saying? 272.2. I like to do it twice. Come on, clear out. Clear out. Okay. If it say the same thing, we know we at 277.2. Oh, come on. Okay. What is it saying? All right. So that's my flush and the end of the flush and starting day one. So I'm starting my day one of my water fast at 277.2, and I dropped down from 279.8. So that's a little over 2.5 pounds from the flush. So that is the flush, and let's begin this fast. And I'm still, like, I literally had to stop to use the bathroom a couple times. Like, I'm still flushing. And I took more than I normally do. I did that 1/8 plus a quarter because I told you it has sediments in the bottom. But I noticed when you take more, it does better. So I got to know, at least do that 1/8 plus a quarter. That's going to be my regular from now on, to flush it through and drink real fast right after. The taste kind of went out my mouth really fast. So that was good. So yes, that's the flush, 2.5 pounds overnight. And it got a lot of bloat out my stomach and all that good stuff. So yeah, let me begin this water fast. I hope you're on the journey as well. And I hope this video was helpful to flush you in a natural way, not using any chemical laxative or anything like that. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And I will see you guys later, Gators.